What's up guys, I'm Parker York Smith and I'm here today to show you how to keep your Kurt sneaker from New Republic so fresh and so clean all summer long. So everybody who's anybody knows that a white sneaker is about the best thing you can have during summertime, but if there is a downside to them, it's that they get dirty very easily. Today we're gonna be cleaning these. I'm gonna go through a step-by-step process to make sure that you are looking fresh, feeling good. Let's do it. So first things first, you wanna remove the laces, totally strip them completely out. That way you're gonna have nice access into the tongue area and underneath, because you wanna be cleaning everything. Once you have these completely removed, you're gonna set them aside. We're gonna deal with those later. So now that you have full access to the entire shoe, there's no laces getting in your way, the first thing you wanna do is just kind of spot clean the stuff that's gonna be very easy for you to wipe off. For spot cleaning, just use a little bit of warm water and a rag and just kind of wipe everything clean that you're able. You'll find that a lot of this stuff is just kind of on the surface. It's not really down into the leather, into the creases. This one already looks way better. So when you're on the go and you just need to freshen up your shoes, this is a perfect way to do that. Do this on, a daily basis whenever you're gonna be wearing the shoes, and then go for a deep clean maybe once a week, once a month, depending on how often you're wearing them. So now that they're looking a little bit refreshed, you brought some life back into them. Let's get more into the deep clean. I would recommend what I like to use, which is this premium shoe cleaner, which is available from Menlo House. It's gonna come with the cleaner itself, as well as this nice brush with some softer bristles. And then also what I would recommend is a bucket of warm water and just a simple rag like you've been using the whole time. Once the brush is a little bit wet, you're gonna apply some of the product all over the top. Don't be shy. Dip the brush back into the water, and then you're just gonna start a nice lather all over the shoe. This is gonna work really well for the midsole and for scuffs. Pretty much anything. It's probably gonna get on you a little bit, but that's all right. It's all due to the fact that you want some clean sneakers. Get all up in there. Make sure you get in there on that tongue underneath the lace eyelets there. Once you feel like you were able to get out a lot of the scuffs, a lot of the dirt that was really built up in there, just take that same rag, kind of wipe it clean with a little bit of a twist. When you're wiping, kind of go up and then pull it back down. And that's just really gonna lift the dirt out of those creases and pull it out. If you have to do it a couple times, that's fine. Keep repeating until you are able to get all of these marks out if that's what you want. But otherwise, they're looking really nice, really fresh. One of the coolest parts about this cleaning product is the scent that it has. Obviously, you guys can't experience it at home, but it has a little bit of a vanilla aroma to it. Because a lot of times if you're using just a traditional cleaning product to clean your shoes, you can smell it, it's really harsh. People are gonna be asking you if you're wearing a vanilla cologne because they smell your shoe cleaner, and you're gonna be like, no, that's my kicks. So once you feel pretty good about how they're looking, they're nice and squeaky clean, set them aside, let them air dry. I would give it at least 30 minutes, but the more time, the better. Don't have to worry about those right now, and we can start to focus on the laces. So when it comes to cleaning your white shoelaces, you have a few different options. First off, you can just use a bowl of warm water with some laundry detergent. You just dunk them in there, let them soak for about an hour, and then throw them into the dryer once they've kind of been cleaned. Your second option, you can actually use a laundry bag, throw the laces in there, throw them in the washer and the dryer just like you would with any normal clothes. Or honestly, you can just buy yourself a new pair of laces. They're very affordable, and plus this cleaner works so nicely that these shoes are looking good enough that you could put a new pair in and it's not gonna look strange. It's not gonna look overly bright. Go ahead and lace them up however you like to, and then use your favorite water repellent or protecting spray and just liberally spray it all over there. Pro tip for you guys, the minute you take these out of the box from when you first buy them, spray them with that stuff right away, because that's just gonna give you an extra layer of protection against all of the elements out in the world, and it's gonna delay you needing to clean them for just a little bit longer. So now that you've got some clean shoes, go tag New Republic and show us how you style your Kurt sneakers. I am Parker York Smith, and I will see you guys next time.